Good day everyone. Our video for today is all about the Arduino Project 12, and these are materials of the component list of the RGB light dimmer. Includes 1DF Arduino Uno R3 with a prototyping shield, 13 jumper wires, 3 pieces of resistors, 3 pieces of 10K potentiometers, and lastly 5mm RGB LEDs. The source code that we made, explanation of this code controls an RGB light dimmer using 3 potentiometers which allow the user to adjust the brightness level of the red, green, and blue channels of an RGB LED. The program begins by defining the pins on the microcontroller that are connected to the RGB, LED, and the potentiometers. The red pin, green pin, and blue pin are connected to digital pins 9, 10, and 11, respectively. These pins will control the intensity of each color. The potentiometers that adjust the brightness of each color are connected to analog pins 0, 1, and 2, path red pin, path green pin, and path blue pin. In the setup function, the program configures the RGB pins as outputs using pin mode and starts serial communication at a baud rate of 9600 to send data to the computer for debugging. In the loop, which runs continuously. The program reads the current values from each potentiometer using analog read. These values range from 0 to 1, 0 to 3, depending on the position of each potentiometer, while the map function is then used to convert this potentiometer values into a range between 0 and 255. This is necessary because analog write, which controls the brightness of the LED, requires values between 0 for off and 255 full brightness.